Hello, my name is Jamie Cameron. I am a mother of 3, and I am currently an education student. I live in Washington, D.C., which is very interesting and gives me an opportunity to communicate with people who have many other languages as their native language. It also gives me a lot of practice in teaching English as a foreign language, and it gives me lots of different perspectives on it. Although I'm currently an education student, I have studied and worked in Spain, and I have obtained my TEFL certification. I have special certifications in teaching young children, teaching for test preparation, and teaching for business. Typically for me, I like to speak with my students and determine what their likes and dislikes are so that I know how to engage them in a lesson and make it interesting for them. I also do specialized lessons and practice for communication practice and conversational exchange, project review for business, interview preparation. A typical lesson for me, a traditional lesson, would involve reading something or watching a short video or clip, something that can engage us in whatever it is that we're discussing. We would then take what we're discussing and use it in practice. We would do a bit of reading. We would exchange practice with each other. I'd want to hear something from you, maybe also a writing sample. I would want to then give a small assignment, something to keep you motivated and working until the next lesson. Something that's possible that I've done before is having a partner lesson where maybe you would have a friend with you and you could learn together so that you would then have activities that you could work on during the week. I enjoy using music and art in my lessons, so if that's something you're interested in, that would be great as well. I'd like to know what kind of music you like and what sort of things you're interested in. I know that language learning can seem difficult, but it can also be fun, and I think we could develop a partnership and work together. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.